Hello, my name is Philip and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today I will explain to you how to use to and very. To. When we use to, it means there's a problem. The building is too old. This is a bad thing. The building is too old. It might fall down and could be dangerous. Very. When we use very, it's not clear whether what we are describing is a good thing or a bad thing. For example, the building is very old. This could be a good thing. The building is old and beautiful. It could also be a bad thing. The building is old and is falling down. Remember, you can practice your English grammar by taking English lessons with me, Philip, by visiting my website, skypeclass.com to start. Good luck with your English studies. Goodbye.